This video is going to go over how to integrate MailChimp into the subscribe forms throughout some of the LandingSumo WP themes. Again, this uses MailChimp, but you can use other services pretty much the same. So let's get right into it. First thing I want to do is go into MailChimp, log in, create a list, all standard stuff. Once you're in the list, pick the list that you want to get subscribers for, and then go into sign up forms, and then embed forms, and then we're going to go into super slim and get that. We're not going to include the title, so all we have here is email address and subscribe, kind of like the demo here, email address and then the button. So once you choose that option, there's some code down here that you can just click and be sure to copy it. And then what we want to do is go into our options panel, and then wherever our subscribe section is, in this case it's in the header, we want to go down to that header section in this text area, and you can see here that the filler form is here, but we'll want to copy and put our MailChimp form data here. So MailChimp provides you all this code, and what we need to do is just copy the classes that we give you for each one. So the input class is subscribe input, so we'll want to copy that and replace the input for the email address. We want to replace that class with the one that we provide, subscribe input. And then the button up here, we also want to grab those classes, copy that, and put it down here for the input submit. Go to the classes and paste that in there. You also want to remove this inline styling that they provide. We don't want any styling that MailChimp provides. So let's delete that. So now we have a pretty small form here. We can also, well, we'll keep that in there for now so we can see that they're both showing. So we'll save those changes, reload the front end of our site here. You can see here that it looks pretty similar to what we have already. So they provide some placeholder as well as we did. So you can see up here that their placeholder is email address, and our placeholder right here which says enter your email address ... You can copy it, do whatever you want. Their value says subscribe. We say yes please. So you could do something similar as well. Save those changes, refresh. You see that it looks pretty similar there. So now that they look pretty identical, we can remove the form code that we provide and save those changes. Refresh. And you have a pretty good subscribe form. So just to make sure that it works, we can put in an email address here, put yes subscribe. You'll notice that it sends out an email. So you can copy this example, copy that code and the other themes that you use, but let us know if you run into any problems and we'll be sure to help. Thanks.